What's up? It's me, Ritvik, was vlogging. Today is another air model unboxing. You can easily tell this is a very old model, but I'm still going to show you around. The Emirates Airbus A380 adorned in the new Expo 2020. Actually, that's handmade by me. And let's go to the airport. There's the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines, the main gears, the body gears, the wing gears, the nacelles, the windshield details, and this is the winglet. And we move on to the registration A6-EOU. I'm gonna make a mention about that in the description and this detail. Actually the United Arab Emirates flag. Emirates, because Emirates is one of the major carriers in the United Arab Emirates. Let's move this plane to the back. So this is the APU in detail. The nacelles and engines. The wing gear, body gear, nose gear, drum, APU, rudder. Side. Then we have the cockpit windshield windows, the nose cone, the Airbus A380-800 dentistry decal, the different sensors, the nose gear, the door, Expo 2020 decal, the Expo 2020 logo handmade by me, website, and this is the Emirates logo, the Arabic logo, Al-Imarat, there's the headlights, the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines, the decals on it, and wing gear, body gear, cargadores, doors, A6-EOU, decal, and the tail. Let's move to the front of the aircraft now. As you can tell, this is the nose gear, body gear, the wing gear. This is the cockpit windows, blades of the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines. They're actually spinnable. They can actually spin. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 engines. And this is the front of the plane with the Airbus A380-800 dentistry decal on it. Dentistry decal. And we move on to the bottom. Billboard nose gear. Emirates billboard title. The Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines with the nacelles. The wing gear, body gear. The stabilizers. And I'll put the model on the video. This is how the stand looks like. And this is the registration A6-EOU mentioned here. So I'm just going to put this on the stand. And the best part of the model is the body gear can be tilted. So you can have a nice small detail. And this thing actually wiggles so that's the wing gear, the body gear. Yeah, that's the wing gear, the body gear. This can be tilted. And this The nacelles, logos. It's a very interesting model. I love this. I bought this from the Emirates official store. And so guys, if you like the video and the model, please like this video so I can get for 1,000 likes. Comment on my videos so I can do some upcoming collabs. Share my videos with friends and family. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ritvik Goes Vlogging, and hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.